Guys, welcome back to another video. We're here at the airport. We're about to surprise our family in Guam. Right now we're waiting for our gate to open. Yeah, y'all stay tuned for these videos that are going to come up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Also, today's a special day. It's my dad's birthday. So everyone in the comments, please put down happy birthday and wish my dad a happy birthday. And yeah, here's the man of the day, hour.
What's up, guys? Thank you for another day, another blessing. I'm grateful for today. Today is my special birthday, but I'm grateful that I'm able to travel with these boys and Lily. But yeah, guess what? We're here at the airport. Hopefully this will become a surprise to our family in Guam. Yeah, but the biggest gift that I ever asked for is for today to happen, and it's something that we've been praying for a long time, to be able to visit family in Guam. And so I'm just grateful for this day. I'm grateful that God has allowed us to be able to take this journey to go and visit family in Guam. Especially, I would not be asking for anything else but to find peace and comfort and just happiness in knowing that my kids are gonna have a wonderful time with our family, and especially for mommy to be able to see grandpa, mommy to see grandpa, and just all the rest of the family. So another thing that I'm grateful for and happy about is because Mars is now going to be able to come along on this journey. 10 years ago, we went to Pohnpei, right? So when these guys were still kids or young, we moved back to Pohnpei, and so now, 10 years later, unfortunately Mars was not able to join us back then, but now he's able to come with us, and I'm really grateful and happy about this, and I hope he is as well. And so stay with us, man. Hopefully, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, feel free to do that. Tag along so we can take you on this journey for the next few days. It'll be good. And so, yep. Thank you all for your support, and just continue to watch our video. All right, bye. All right, guys. Looks like we're gonna check out what the food that they're serving on the plane right now. We didn't even know that they're serving food, so we had to bring our own Spanish food. But let's see what we got here. Nice. It looks like some sort of rice, broccoli, and spicy tofu. What about this one? Check this one. Can you open up this one? What's that? Rice? Curry chicken? Oh, cheese. Okay. Mars. All right. We're gonna eat. Alright, here we are in Korea. 감사합니다, Mr. YouTube. Rosin, what can you tell us about where we're at?
We just landed here in
Louder?
Korea. We just landed here in Korea. This airport is pretty nice. It's pretty hot in here. But yeah, we're gonna be here, I guess, overnight. We have a flight tomorrow morning. We have a flight tomorrow morning, and then we're off to Guam. And we're gonna go surprise our family. Right now, I just want soda and some food. But
Don't worry, we'll buy soda. Mars, I'm happy that you're on our trip to Micronesia, because 10 years, I was telling them that 10 years ago you were stuck in Seattle, so you didn't come with us. So, oh yeah, are you happy? We got this whole floor for us. We're gonna do it the Chuki's way. We're just gonna lie down. This is really good. Like, and this is the baby. Look at him. It's like he misses Lafarson. But here we are in Korea. Man, this place is nice. Look at that. Like, there's like a, what do you call that? Gasokun, like a porch style. You can literally just roll around and, you know. But this is the place. It's nice. Now we're waiting for our next flight tomorrow morning. It's I think 14-hour layover here, but it's pretty cool. There's a transfer lounge on the third floor, but there's too many people up there. We're gonna try to wait it out and see if you know, it'll have less people tonight. All right. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. We'll just keep you guys updated when we hop on the next flight out tomorrow morning. All right, Guam. We'll be right there. See you guys.
That's such a. What?
Alright, boys. I mean, guys. We're just walking around trying to find some food. We're here in Korea. As you can tell, it's pretty packed over here. I don't feel safe. We're here. We're just trying to waste time. Our flight's tomorrow morning. We'll go to Guam. After Guam, we go to the Bahamas. After the Bahamas, we go back home.
I mean, I still have the camera up. Oh!
What are you guys getting? Us?
I want to get a.
We get the. Oh, I want an original.
No, can I just order to go? Oh, so we have to come here and eat?
Okay, let's go.
Just a sandwich? Yeah. Wait, what?
gonna order to eat here. You cannot order to go.
Well, it looks like we have a server today. So we are now currently at a Korean restaurant. Thank you, Mr. Server. Thank you for another server. That's fine. Yeah. All right. Well, looks like we got all the same, right? 확실히 라라이브 셨나? Thank you, mommy, for treating me on my birthday. Okay, Aston, grab your food. Grab your food. First of all, I want to thank you guys for um, getting our food today, and we're very grateful for everything. So, hey, I think Mars, can you pray for us? What's in what? Guys, surprisingly, this place is hot. It's hot. Like the airport, the terminal is hot. Is that it?
It's
Uh-oh.
it's raining outside, but hot.
Yep. Yep. This soup's got the seafood thing in it. The stuff that we watch on YouTube. I'm actually now eating it. Tastes like crab. Anyway, guys, so right now we're here at they call it. Hold on, I'm gonna try to let her finish because she keeps interrupting me. All right. Anyway, so right now we're at the transit lounge or transfer lounge. So basically, this place is provided to all the transit passengers who are waiting for their connecting flight to their final destination. So because we're doing a layover here, so right now we're here at their transit lounge. So it's pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys just a little bit on what it looks like. Da-da! We had to wait for this place to kind of free up. Right now, our time now it's 8:45. There's a snack bar right there. It's the good thing about it is 24/7. So that means it's open all night long. And then I have a homeless over here. Yeah. So we got this whole place for ourselves, and then the boys are on that side. Yeah. Else that is
checking out the internet, free internet. And then on my left, see right there, that little hallway going in there, there's a restroom. And then on the left, there's they call it a nap zone. Nap zone. So basically, if you're waiting and if you want to take a nap, it's pretty cool. You have to go in there and just make sure you're not making any noise because there are people in there taking a nap too. So this terminal is pretty good. It's pretty nice. The only downfall about this place is you have to pay or you have to provide your own adapter, the international adapters. And so, yeah, we were all running around trying to find outlets. We thought that they actually took out the outlets, but we didn't realize they're using the international outlet. So it's the 220, I believe. We used 110 in the U.S. So luckily they have some in the convenience store, so it's pretty cheap. It's funny because every time I go and buy something, I would always make sure. Can you guys tell me what's the price in U.S. dollar? And it was nice. Oh, and one more thing, the food that we had, I thought it was gonna be a lot, but with 5 of us, it's only $61. I think that's pretty good, because even in the U.S., like with only 2 people, it's gonna rack up to like $60. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to walk around. I'm gonna show you guys this guy's little spot. Ta-da! Here are the boys. Yep. Mars, they're so happy because they have chargers now. they were not enjoying their vacation. They had to like, oh, we don't have any chargers. They even had to use. Luckily, I had the laptop, but then they're draining the battery for the laptop, so I had to go and get converters for these lovely kids. Anyway, how many more hours we have to wait? We have to wait another 13 hours before we head out to the next flight. But it's gonna be fun. We're enjoying it. Yeah, we're enjoying every little bit of it. Yeah. Paus mater. Da-da. House mater. House mother is having a great time of her life. All right. Any message for you boys?
We are
This guy's laughing because.
stop. Don't. Yeah, we're waiting for our flight. I think it's at 9:30. We're just in our little hangout area. We're charging our phones. We're gonna get some sleep, maybe 3 or 4, and then our 4-hour trip to Guam. We get down there, see our brothers and sisters, see our uncles and aunties. Shout out to everyone that's gonna be in the video, like Rafa and them, all my family. I think this is a family reunion after 10 or 12 years, or maybe more than that. I'm 16 now, March 21, 20. Elston, they never got to see Elston as a what do I say, teenager, but yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I don't know how to do
Like and subscribe.
Hey, you baby. What's up, baby?
Like and subscribe.
They don't even like the vlog because they're all just waiting on that flight. Right. We shall see you guys later. I'm excited too.
All right, next day, guys. We're now waiting for our flight to Guam, right? So
take a look outside. It's raining. It's gonna be 80 plus degrees. And it's gonna be sunny. This morning is pouring hard here in South. We're in South Korea, right?
South Korea.
Korea. We're flying on Korea Air. But yeah, we're excited. I mean, I don't know about my brothers, but I know.
Let's go check out your planet. Yes. So we got this whole place to ourselves. Look. Here goes the mother. The mother again. She's calculating. How much did I spend today? All right. So. Oh wow. What do you call this place? Oh, Elston, this is pretty cool. Wow. I like it. I like it. Where's Mars? Just wandering around. You ready for that challenge? Huh? You guys go eat your sandwich. Man, I should have taken the video last night. Like not last night, but this morning. It was really quiet. It's like walking in like an empty terminal. It was really nice. All right. Okay, we're gonna wait on to our